Find all integer solutions of the equation x squared minus 4yz equals 115. Assume x, y, z are integers as 4yz is even and 115 is odd. So x squared must be odd. Thus, x is odd. Let x equal 2k plus 1. K is an integer. Equation 1 can be written as 2k plus 1 all squared minus 4yz equals 115. 4k squared plus 4k plus 1 minus 4yz equals 115. By rearranging the equation and factorizing, we can now write 4 times k squared plus k minus yz equals 114. By dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we can now write 2 times k squared plus k minus yz equals 57. Equation 2 implies that y and z can't both be integers, as otherwise the left-hand side is even and the right-hand side is odd. This contradicts the assumption that x, y, z are integers. Thus, the assumption is incorrect. Hence, the original equation has no integer solutions. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.